So the wind isn't too bad this morning. The heavy rain actually started up middle of last night. Just kind of riding it out. We're gonna be here for about 3 days probably of just steady rain. And holy smokes, I did not see that giant spider. Wow. Hurricane Florence is here. Like I said, we're gonna ride it out and hope that the water levels and the flooding isn't too bad. It's gonna be pretty steady, and right now it's just started. You know, we're only in the first couple hours. Hey, are you guys gonna build us an ark? Yeah, so we can float out of here. I think it'd be a good idea.
Nope.
Make it happen.
I got this ranger thing.
You gotta build us a boat, not a ranger. Oh, you got a friend, Chi. You love Nanny.
What's this?
You love your nanny. Whoa, little gust. Chi-Chi. What you doing? Chi-Chirella. Okay.
All right, so we are sitting down with our coffee, and while we still have power, we're gonna watch a movie. And one of our favorite things to do during storms is watch movies about storms. Again, I really think that it's like a coping mechanism that, like, when you're scared or like anxious or whatever, like it's almost like immersion therapy, right? Let's immerse ourselves in worst case scenario. How bad could it be? And go from there. So this one, hold on buddy, 1 second. We'll show them. He made a boat so we could all get on this boat and float out of here if we needed to. It's a pretty big boat. Do you think we can all fit on it?
Now it's tiny.
Ah, Ivy. So we're watching this movie that probably is gonna be terrible.
It looks good.
It's called Into the Storm.
4 stars on Netflix.
Got 4.5 stars on, no, 4 stars.
A lot of people.
No,
chilling
3.5
and
stars.
100 stars.
Yes.
We'll see how it goes.
Finally picked up. I think this is the one, or the start of the band they were talking about. Find your nest, little blue jay. Whoa. Much windier, and yeah, the rain has definitely picked up quite a bit. Hey, Ivy. Where's your sister? Oh, almost walking. Where's Millie? Is she somewhere she's not supposed to be? What are you doing? You gotta get out of there. That's a no-no. Yeah, that's a no-no. Come on out. There. Good job, Cheech. Come here, Cheech. Come here, Cheech. Come here, Chi-Chi. Come on. Come on. Yeah, baby.
Yay!
Oh, here comes Mills. Oh. Go see Mama.
Come on, boo-boo. Oh, crap, she just hit her head. Come on, boo-boo. Look at her. She's like, I don't want to.
Come get it. Come on. Good job.
1, 2. Yes. Come on. Yay!
Good job. Uh-oh. Now it's gonna be a battle. Come on. Oh. Good.
Before I got the camera out to film, Ivy took, what did I count, 8 or 9? 8 steps from the side table to CR out here. She took 8 steps. So you're a pro.
Circus animal. Let's go. Come on, come get it. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby, get it.
Yeah.
Get it. Oh, well, hello.
Yay!
See you at eye level. Come on, baby.
Come on. It's okay, you got it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah! You just went all the way across. What are you doing?
doing? I don't want to speak too soon, but today it was manageable. I mean, it's rained quite a bit. It's very, very wet. The ground is very saturated. We did have some trees come down in our neighborhood. Some neighbors had some accidents. I think one of them hit a house up the street here. Tonight there's going to be a ton more rain. The primary rain band is going to be whipping through here overnight, so everyone's going to be sleeping downstairs, and then, you know, we'll keep tabs on it and see where we're at tomorrow. Backyard.
Wet. I want to play fryers.
I don't know when our last update was, but flooding, wind, everything is picked up here. I put my rain boots on so I could come out here and show you guys. We've got sort of like lakes of water in our front and backyard. As you can see, these are pretty deep. Inches and inches of water there, and it's going all around our front yard. This whole thing is like a lake here. So far, no limbs on our cars, which is good. Quite deep water here. And if we go into the backyard, you can see, I'm probably not going to walk through those because they're pretty deep, but it's just a whole bunch of standing water. Some limbs have come down, nothing too crazy. I'm not going to stay out here for long because I definitely don't want to get hit by a limb falling, but our whole yard is like this. And many of the roads in our area, like if you look out here outside the shed, it's all just a giant puddle everywhere. I gotta get inside. Ooh, I'm gonna get soaked. Wanted to show you guys this might have been a bad idea. Crap. CR's gonna kick my butt. Yeah, I wish there was something more exciting to show you guys, but we're just hanging out downstairs because we don't want to be on the second or third floor in case a tree does come down. I don't know if Christopher told you, but just down the street from us, they had a very big tree come down on their house. I think everybody was okay, but trees are coming down all over Charlotte. There's flooding. Okay guys, I apologize for the crazy audio. Obviously I got rain in my camera, but this is a view of the park that we take the kids to all the time, and it's completely underwater. And this is the area near where Shelby's dance studio is. This is just a sampling of how bad the roads are flooded around here. Flash floods, lots of roads are closed. Obviously flash floods are very dangerous. We are definitely not out of the woods. I'm thankful that it's not any worse right now than it is, but we're definitely not out of the woods because this rain isn't going anywhere right now. This hurricane, or I guess it's a tropical depression now, is very, very slow moving, and so it's just sitting on top of us dumping rain. It's not moving fast. I think last I looked it was like moving at 2 or 3 miles an hour. So it's just sitting on top and dumping rain onto us and the neighboring areas. But we just got this another flash flood warning for our area.
I think Angie saw something on the news a couple minutes ago that said our town here in North Carolina, hold on, let me get you guys rinsed off, or a neighboring town has gotten 10 inches of rain so far, and we're about maybe a little bit over halfway through the storm. But I mean, there's the pool that has formed in my front yard, literally about 5 feet away from the house. That's probably 5 or 6 inches of standing water right there. So, and that's the playroom, and so that is ground level. So hopefully we're not having any major issues. But wow! All right, guys, this is the first time it has stopped raining in, I would say, 36 hours. So, yep, just pools.
From the moment we held on to things we cannot see, I would cross the sky forever. It's only just begun. to make us all feel better. What I meant